Welcome to the Town Hall celebration for your 7th character equation. Hope plus knowledge equals discernment. Thanks to you, our learning team and our whole school is more discerning. So congratulations! You completed all the lessons about the 7th character equation. Just like the Border Collies and their hope and knowledge, you have made helpful choices to be discerning. Learning to be discerning is one of the foundations for being healthy for your whole life. Let's see what we remember about our 7th character equation. Who remembers what 2 character traits make discernment? What is the first character trait? Remember to pause the video if you need more time to think. Yes, hope. What is the next character trait? Yes, knowledge. These 2 character traits together make discernment. Say it with me. Discernment. Now, we want to hear from you. Can you think of a time when you've been focusing on this character equation and you learned, loved, or even led by using this equation of hope plus knowledge equals discernment? Pretend like you're calling to tell me about it. Then raise your hand if you want to share with everyone in the group. Remember to pause the video. It is truly awesome how you've all been working hard to make our school a better place for you and all your friends and teachers by using these character traits. Being hopeful while you use and build knowledge leads to discernment in all you do each day. This is something you can use your whole life. This choice makes for a brighter future for you and all those you care about. Now it's time to celebrate. Each of you will now receive your hope plus knowledge equals discernment cards and badges. Don't forget to take a photo. See you next time. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all 3 to be healthy, happy, and free.